Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting unboxing from Hermes. Yes, I have been shopping in Hermes. It was my very first experience with the brand and I wanted to share that experience with you today and also reveal what I picked up. So I'll jump straight into the unboxing because I know that's what everybody wants to see. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what this is. We just take a moment to appreciate the packaging on these. Now I did open this up already, so the bow that I retied is not as nice as how they presented to me in the store. The packaging on the Hermes pieces is so gorgeous. I absolutely love the orange and the beautiful way that they present their gifts. I did do an orange inspired look today with my orange scarf and the lips and a little bit of eyeshadow as well, inspired by the Hermes look. So let's open this box up. I purchased one of the H Clic bracelets. Now I will show you this in a cutaway so that you can see it on. With the colour I went for is a taupey brown grey shade with the gold hardware as well. And how you open these bracelets, you just push it together slightly and then turn the H lock and then it opens like that. And that's how you put it on the wrist. So there's no fear of it falling off at all. So they also rock these bracelets in silver and in rose gold as well, and the enamel here, which I got in the brown taupey colour, you can get this in many different colours. The permanent collection has the orange, the black and the white. I think they're the three permanent colours. And then they also have these seasonal colours, which is what I picked up here, a seasonal colour. So I was very excited to get this. And I bought the smallest size in the bracelet as well. That is what the bracelet looks like. I am very happy with it and I will be wearing this as an everyday piece in my wardrobe. I think the colour is really nice as well. It goes very well with my skin tone and I think I can wear this with a lot of outfits because it is one of the neutral shades rather than if I went for the orange colour or the black colour, it would be harder to style, whereas this colour that I went for, I think I'll be able to wear this with lots of different things. My sales associate also provided me with the booklet of the Hermes scarf prints for 2020. So this booklet just gives you all of their spring summer scarf prints. So it'll show you here the print and then a picture of a model wearing it, just so you have an idea of what the sizes are and the prints. There's a really gorgeous one. Now that the exciting unboxing is out of the way, I'll just talk briefly about my experience as a first-time customer with Hermes. Online, I've noticed a lot of people discuss their customer service and their experience within the luxury community of sales associates being unfriendly and not helpful at all, and I wanted to just share my experience of how I found shopping at Hermes. So for your information, I was in the Brown Thomas store in Dublin, Ireland. It's a very small Hermes store. It's not like London or Paris, like there's not 2 levels or anything like that. It's just a small boutique within Brown Thomas itself. I did have to queue up to get into the store because there was social distancing, but I didn't need to make an appointment to get into the store. So I know that's something that other larger Hermes stores experience. The sales associate that I was introduced to was named Juliana in Dublin, and she did give me her business card here. And how the customer service works the best is she informed me that if you email her and let her know when you're coming in and what products you want to view in store, that it is a quicker process. So all you have to do is send the sales associate the product IDs of the pieces that you want to view in store, and then once you come into the store they will all be ready for you to review. Of course, I'm only talking about the accessories here, not the handbags, only the accessories, footwear, scarves, belts and smaller goods like that. The handbags process is a lot different. I did find all of the staff very friendly in store and very helpful. You were free to look around at whatever you wanted to see. Overall, I really enjoyed my experience, and I would definitely recommend the Dublin store. It's definitely very friendly and there is no need to be intimidated or anything like that. If you want to go in and just look at things, you don't have to purchase anything or feel under pressure. I also tried on the Oran sandals. Now these are absolutely everywhere on Instagram, and I kind of caved and wanted to try them as well. So I went into store purposefully to try them on as well, and I tried on my normal size, which is a 4.5, and I did find everyone, I just had to change my battery there, so if the frame is different, I'm sorry, I tried to place the camera in exactly the same spot. So anyway, as I was saying, my normal size is a 4.5, and the Oran sandals, I tried them on in the 4.5 and they were fine. The only thing was the top part, the part that goes across your foot like this, was actually very wide. And I said it to Juliana, I said, oh, it's quite wide at the top, and she said that they're going to stretch out as well because the leather is quite soft. If you find it wide now, it's going to stretch out again when you start wearing the shoes. So if they're loose on you now, they're going to be loose on you even after you wear them as well. So it just wasn't a good option for me. My foot is quite slim, so the Oran sandals, even though I absolutely love the look of them, just were not a good option for me at all. And they have other versions with some heels as well that I was able to try on in store, so I'm not sure of the name of those ones. I'll put it on the screen now. But there is just like a 1-inch heel on them, and I tried them on as well, and they did seem to fit a little bit better, but they still weren't perfect, and for very expensive shoes they have to be actually fitting you properly. The ones with the heels are a little bit pricier as well, and then they also have a wedge version which I was interested in, but they didn't have my size available in that. The brown colour is quite popular, and I think they're going to be restocking that quite soon as well. Finally, I found out the information on how to get your hands on one of the famous Hermes bags as well. So in Dublin they have a waiting list like all other Hermes stores basically, and you need to go in and register your interest. And what you need to do is you need to know what bag you want, so be it a Birkin or a Kelly bag, what leather you want, what size you want, and what colour you want. And they will register your interest in store, and they get their stock in Dublin in on a Wednesday. and if they have a delivery of the bag that you were looking for, they will call you up and invite you into the store to view the bag. If you are going into the Dublin store, I would highly recommend dealing with Juliana. She was so nice and very, very helpful to deal with. I will definitely be back in the store to try on the summer wedges when they become available. If you have any more questions about the store experience that you would like to know, please do leave me a comment in the comment box and I'll get back to you there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, definitely hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So everyone, that is all for this week. Thank you very much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.